Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. You guys see the thumbnail, it's no clickbait. I've only had 2 raid days this whole year, and we are heading tomorrow Friday, but heading into the last week of February. And so far this year I've been trading great, so I've been trading good. Hopefully we can keep this going. Today I'm going to go over all the trades that I took today, but before I do that, guys, please hit the thumbs up button on these videos if you guys learned something. Please leave some comments down below. I guarantee you guys, I don't know of anybody else out there that streams free every single morning who makes this kind of money, who is this consistent and willing to help other people learn. And it's all free. Other people are charging out there for trading live and all that stuff. I do offer a course. If you guys really want to learn from me and my mentorship, then that's separate. You guys can find the link down below for my course. But as far as trading 15 minutes before market opens every single morning right here on YouTube and tradecaster.com, cancel the payment over there. Completely free. You don't have to pay a single penny to me to watch me trade live, see my opinions, my calls, my what I'm trading, how I'm doing on the day. If you guys want to watch every single live trade, they're also back on YouTube stores, so go to my previous lives and you can watch every single trade throughout these days and see exactly every trade that I took, unless I took a trade after I was done streaming. Anyways, enough rambling. Let's try to hit a lot of likes on this video. Let's try to get to 50 likes on this video for my consistency. So with that being said, let's go over today. So over the journal. Today I'm sitting at $721 on the day. Now today was a little frustrating. Tesla was a little iffy to trade. For one, it had just sold off like $7 going into the market open, so I was like leaning more bearish, but it had sold off a lot, so I wasn't sure, and it was making it kind of hard to trade. So I did get up couple of times to 400, 500 bucks, and I gave it all back, and then again 400 or 500 bucks, and then I gave it all back, and then I made it again 400 or 500 bucks, and then finally started nailing some good trades. I did go up to a max of $900 on the day. Unrealized, I think I was waiting for a trade to play out a little bit farther down, so that one ended up going from 900 back down to $700 profit, and then I lost a little bit and made some little bit back. But I'm gonna go over all these trades and show you guys exactly where I took them. Now, coming out of the gates, like I said, I was leaning a little bit more bearish on the stock, even though we had sold off already. This stock has been on the roll for 2 months, a month and a half, and I'm looking for this thing to sell off for the day that people take profits and for the day that this thing comes right back down. So maybe we're just not going to get it. It's consolidating too much that maybe it's going to put out another leg. So I have no idea. Anyways, 210 was a key level. I got a lot of levels this morning. 210 was a key level that I was watching, more like 209.74. Kind of this triple bottom in pre-market, but also was a little spike yesterday towards the close, so that 209.74. So just that level I was marking it. At the open, we tried pushing up once and twice. So tried pushing up here, nope. Tried pushing again, nope. Tried pushing up again. I saw these 3 triple tops right here, so I was like, I don't trust this thing breaking out. So I ended up flipping short, or my first trade was a short trade here. And I followed this down to that 209.74. Very nice. I think that was my very first trade. I went up 400 bucks on the day. First trade in the first couple minutes, so I was already in the green. And I was all right. Let's get this thing to continue selling off. Already rejected here, so it's pulling back on down. Let's get the next leg out to the bottom side, and that's where I was looking at that same level, that 209.74. Thinking this thing could push up, kind of create a topping wick here, try to get the sell orders here, and then get the next leg back on down there. So I went for it, I tried it, and I absolutely got squeezed. So that was the first time I went back to red, or I think I went down to $20 profit. At that point, these candles were pretty big. The volume was increasing on those too, so I was like, yeah, this is not just a little pullback. This wants to go back to the top side. So I flipped long again. I flipped long through here. Got a couple of these pops. It didn't look very strong to me. I mean, this right here, if you see these 2 candles, consolidates, pulls down, holds VBOB twice there. Another key level there at 211.76. For one is a level we couldn't get earlier this morning, and 2, we already started holding it. By the way, you guys like the hat? You guys let me know what you think of the hat. Look at it. Check it out. And then it's got the green little strap in the back. Anyways, you guys let me know down below what you guys think. Anyways, I went long here, but didn't really break out. I was kind of after this candle here, looking for these things to just kind of pull up away again. And anyways, it didn't pull up, but again, I got myself up, I think another $300, $400, $500 again through this consolidation right here. I believe you guys can go back and check the live stream exactly. I'm kind of explaining the trades. And at this point, I'm like, this is a nice pop up. We sold off in the market. This is a nice pop up. People are taking profits from this move, A lot of shorts are going to come back in this area between 213, 14, 15. and I don't see this thing reclaiming this level, and I want to see the move back on down again. I'm looking for Tesla to sell off, you know. And so unfortunately that was my mistake again, because I ended up hitting more shorts, and I ended up hitting shorts through here and through here, and this thing squeezed out and took all my profit again. So I went back. I mean, I lost some money on that squeeze there. I'm pretty sure that's where I ended up taking the trade. I did go into a little bit of a scalp mode today. Not that much. I wasn't scalping this thing left and right, but there was moments where I was like, oh my god, I could see a small little pop here. Let me just jump in 50 shares, or I mean 100 shares, 200 shares real quick. Try to get $50 here and there. So that happened several times. There wasn't clean moves. This was kind of clean, but couldn't get it. Anyways, it won't show my trades for some reason. So maybe it'll just spawn out of nowhere here in a second. There they are. So I did go short there, went short there, got squeezed, and then tried it again here at the top, short, finally got the move back down, again, back in the green, back into distantly green, and then trying to nail some of these tops. So you can see I went short once, twice, 3 times, and this was a long right here. So I went short again, trying to back this 215 down, 215 level right here. So went short here, got it, okay. Went short of here, small scalp. Went short here again, small scalp. Went short of here, boom, squeezes. And then at this one, I was like, this is going for high day. 217.82 was a high, so I thought I could get a couple longs here, write this up. Didn't work, so I think I might have given some profit back here. But ultimately, at the end of this move, or I gained some back here a little bit. I went short at the top. Oh, so I gave back on the long, and then I joined the short there, got the move down. And then here is where I was getting off a stream, but I mentioned one last play. I said if we break this trend line here, which we are, and this thing tries to pop back up, look for that 217 level. And if we cannot break the highs, you can take some shorts around here, risking high a day if this thing wants to squeeze. And so I ended the stream there just because I was done, and I still went back and took a trade. I think I was done at the stream at 600 bucks, and so I took the shorts there and was very patient. Look for the crack of 217. When it finally did, I even called out the level was this that I was looking for to take profits, and so that thing sold off from 217 and went straight down to that level. Would have been a nice place to take profits, which I did take up some down there, but I think I only wrote it with 200 shares, and I took some half out early, so I made about $130 extra on the stock. Sorry, my thing cut off. So like I was saying, I don't know where it cut off, but ended up popping here. I took that trade short there, and then ended up fading back down, hit my target there. At that point, I got off. I didn't trade anymore. I went away and got some breakfast through here, and then apparently something about some recalls, and Tesla sold off pretty aggressively, but looked like a little overreaction, and then got a nice pop here. 210 seems to be a key level on Tesla, so I'm going to be watching 210 for the rest of today and for the rest of tomorrow, or going into tomorrow. So 210 has been the strong support. If we break 210, I could see this thing go back down to 200. If we keep holding 210, and this thing is strong down here, this go might right back up to 217, maybe 220 this time, but I'm not sure now. I just trade what I get every single morning and try to make money. Anyways, like I said, I've been doing really good this year. Hopefully this keeps up. Adding 700, 800, 900,000, 1.2, 1.4k days here and there, so the profits adding up, and hopefully look to keep doing this good, continue this streak here. If you guys have any questions, like I said, comment down below. If you guys like this video, enjoyed this video, gained some insight of how I'm trading Tesla, then you guys leave a thumbs up. And aside from that, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading session. Let me know what you guys think of the hat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys take care.